Okay, Miss Janie, would you demonstrate how to add a new client? The first thing you have to realize is that in order to put a client into the database, you have to complete all of the required fields. Those are the things that have the asterisk next to them. So let's hit new because we're going to add a new person into the database. We want to put the last name in first, and then we want to add the first name, and then we want to go down to the gender. You can put M for male, F for female, and then you want to put in their date of birth. And if you're satisfied with the information at this point, you can hit save. Now, I would like for you to know that if you want to run mailing labels or keep a complete database, that you will need to complete all of these fields in order for you to be able to run labels or keep a complete database of your clients and how to contact them. Then you can use this as a method to do so. We actually use our accounting software for that, but that option is there for you if you choose to do so. But we're going to save this information, and now I want to demonstrate. I want to say, okay, let's suppose one of our clients, Lily, comes in and she's gotten married. Just using this as an example. So we want to change her last name to her husband's last name. You just click on the last name field, hit delete, and then enter the last name. And if you're satisfied with the information, you save it. That's how you go in and edit. You can do any field that way. Now, let's suppose that Lily has moved out of state with her new husband, and so we found a technician for her in the area that she lives in. So we want to go ahead and delete her as a client. So you can go over here after you select her name and hit delete. Now it gives you a choice. You can do the visit only, or you can do the entire client. In this case, we're going to do the entire client. So it's telling you, are you sure you want to do this? Yes, I do. So now when I get out of the program entirely and go back in, Lily will no longer be in the database. Now, let's suppose that we were running tests on someone and we made a mistake and did not run the test that we wanted to run. So we wanted to delete just the test. We can select the test that we want to delete, hit delete, and then you can just do the visit only. And then that way it's asking you, are you sure you want to delete this visit? And we're going to hit yes. And it will take everything out of the whole tank for that particular visit. That is how you add a client, you edit a client, you delete a visit, and you delete a client.